everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have created this easy everyday kind of makeup look using very few products. So if you wanna know what products did I use to create this makeup look, then please continue watching. So for foundation I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in shade Warm Nude. Next for concealer, I am going with the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in shade Light. I am applying it under my eyes and also on my lids, then blending it out using my beauty blender. To set my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium with a brush and gently dabbing it on my face. Now for my brows, I am taking the Maybelline New York brow pencil and filling in my brows. Next I am going with this Paris Glam Bronze Duo. This is a bronzer, but here I am gonna use it on the apples of my cheeks. Next I am taking this highlighter and just applying it on the high points of my face. Now again I am using the same bronzer shade and applying it as an eyeshadow all over my lid. Taking the same highlighter and applying it on my brow bone area and in the inner corners of my eyes. Sorry, does that happen with everyone? Who else hates it? Now for my lips, I'm using the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in shade Bombay. And this is the final look, you guys. Hope you liked the video. All the product details are mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates on every time I upload a video. Bye! Guess what? I forgot to apply mascara. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if this ever happened to you and you forgot to apply any makeup product and then you realized it later. Bye! Hey you guys, I'm also on Instagram, so you can also follow me up there.